A more effective workforce is created by continual, personal, and organizational improvement. This comes from having individuals constantly looking for ways to work smarter both individually and organizationally. Long-lasting professional development does not come cheaply or without thoughtful effort. Here is an 8-step process for creating a more effective workforce. 1. Clarify your desired outcomes. It's critical to identify the desired outcomes and possible restrictions for any project and how you will know if the effort is successful. 2. Identify gaps. Establish key ways to measure improvement in the target group's or individual's behavior. Assess and build individual development plans. 3. Streamline individual and organizational processes. Individuals' performance is often hamstrung by ineffective organizational processes. Focus on enhancing each key of your talent skill sets and making their personal processes more effective. 4. Enhance target groups' skills. Determine how the target group's skills are best enhanced if the group or individual learning processes are better. 5. Increase individuals' productivity. People learn through application and repetition. Follow-up and reinforcement are critical to long-lasting development. 6. Measure results. Measurement is key. Plan to make adjustments along the way. 7. Boost profits. Profits should increase as a result of increased effectiveness. 8. Celebrate success. Hard work deserves celebration. No effort is perfect, so celebrate successes along the way.